Welcome to the Okanagan Science Center Online, a safe source for science, which you can do in your own home. Now we're talking about flight, and of course as everyone knows, when you talk about flight, you're bound to start experimenting with paper airplanes. So, paper airplane. I'm using some type of recycled paper. First thing I do is I fold it hot dog style. I find when you're making paper airplanes, if you keep the creases nice and sharp, that crease there, things work better. Then, I'm going to fold one side down. Then I'll do the same on the other side. Make it pointy, more aerodynamic. Once I have it like that, I fold the one wing in, that's right, one side in. Same on the other side. And of course, crease everything. There. Now there's a million ways to make paper airplanes. I fold them towards the inside, crease them, and fold the wing down. Now with the wing, you can pick whatever size you want. Bigger or smaller, experiment. Same with the other side. There. Typical jet paper airplane. And see if it flies. Not bad, not bad. So, try your hand. You can find lots of books, lots of sources for making paper airplanes. I have a couple of books of paper airplane plans. I never use them. I find they're just too complicated. Of course, if you're in elementary school and learn how to make paper airplanes, it's good. It'll give you something to do through those tedious years of high school. You can always make paper airplanes out of your notes. Thank you.